This stainless steel Junghans Max Bill automatic wristwatch features the artist's classically simplified dial design. It's a matte finished black dial. There are elongated baton indexes with luminescent dots above the quarter-hour markers. There's also an aperture for date, luminescent baton hands. Then the stainless steel case has a polished finish with a faceted bezel, plain crown, and then a screw-down case back which is centered with a Max Bill facsimile signature. As an automatic watch, it will wind itself as it's being worn. However, if it is laying dormant for a period of time and needs to be restarted, this can be achieved by turning the crown away from the wearer a few turns, which will be enough to get the watch started. Hand setting is adjusted in a normal manner. The crown has two settings. So if you pull out to the second setting, this will stop the seconds hand. You can then advance the time. The date will change each day at midnight like this. And then when you set to the correct time, you press the crown back in and the second hand will restart. The watch also has a fast date change facility, which should not be used between 8 PM and 1 AM so as not to interfere with the automatic date changeover. But if you then pull the crown out to the first stop, you can then roll away from you and the date will advance. And when you've got it on the correct date, just press the crown back in and your watch is then ready to be worn.